In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. After creating your Facebook account, later you have a change of mind and you want to delete it. I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. On this interface, scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Continue to tap on privacy shortcuts. So you land on an interface like this where you have a bunch of menus. Continue to scroll down until you locate delete your account and information. So this will bring you to an interface like this where you have the option to deactivate your account or delete your account. Since you want to delete your account, all you have to do is to first toggle the delete your account on, but make sure to be informed that deleting your account is permanent, and when you delete your account you won't be able to retrieve their content or information that you have shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. Once you are certain of this, you can continue to click on continue to account deletion. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.